Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the volatility ratio indicator for MT4. This analytical tool measures relative volatility by comparing current market movements to historical averages, helping traders identify periods of expansion, contraction, and potential breakout conditions. In this video, you'll see how the volatility ratio works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are utilized. The Volatility Ratio Indicator MT4 is a technical analysis tool that measures the relationship between the current volatility and historical volatility over a specified period. It calculates the ratio of recent price movement amplitude to the average movement amplitude over a longer lookback window, providing traders with a numerical value that indicates whether the market is experiencing high or low volatility relative to its recent history. The indicator's ability to measure relative volatility makes it a valuable tool for a variety of trading strategies, including breakout trading when the ratio spikes above a threshold, mean reversion when the ratio is extremely high, suggesting exhaustion, and trend confirmation when sustained elevated ratios validate strong directional movement. On the chart, the volatility ratio typically displays as a line or histogram. In our case, we are using a line oscillating around the base value, often set at 1.0 or 100. Values above the baseline indicate current volatility is higher than the historical average, suggesting expanded price movements, while values below the baseline show current volatility is lower than the average, indicating contraction or consolidation. Extreme readings in either direction often precede significant market events with very high ratios, sometimes signaling exhaustion, and very low ratios, suggesting compression before breakouts. You can adjust this volatility period and price, either close price, open price, high price, or weighted price, depending on your trading style. And you can also adjust its color. For breakout trading, traders monitor when the volatility ratio spikes significantly above its baseline during a consolidation phase, confirming that the breakout has sufficient energy and participation. For mean reversion strategies, when the ratio reaches extremely high levels, traders anticipate that volatility will contract back toward average, presenting opportunities for counter trend trades or profit taking. For trend confirmation, sustained elevated volatility ratio readings during a trend validate that the move has strong momentum behind it, increasing confidence in continuation trades. The volatility ratio indicator is suitable for swing traders who use volatility cycles to time entries, day traders who need quick volatility assessment, and risk managers who adjust position size based on market conditions. It works well when combined with Bollinger Bands for visual volatility context, ATR for absolute volatility measurement, or moving averages for trend direction filtering. However, the indicator measures past volatility relationships rather than predicting future direction. Extreme readings can persist longer than expected during trending markets, and it should be used with price action analysis and proper risk management rather than as a standalone system. You can download the volatility ratio indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how comparing current volatility to historical averages can reveal expansion, contraction, and breakout opportunities that price charts alone cannot show. If you like relative volatility measurement tools for breakout and mean reversion strategies, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.